Look, friends, sticking on the earthquake theme, just in case some of you didn't hear about it or maybe have short term memories, I get it, everybody's so busy. There was an earthquake cluster of over 308 earthquakes in one day, right, right under where the Salton Sea is in California. There's a line that goes up from the Baja Gulf, goes up where the Salton Sea is, and it wraps around and it goes just north of Los Angeles. And there's another major fault. There's several small. There's another major one that goes from just northeast of Los Angeles north a little bit, where there's a wedge where they come together. And they're saying that the pressure that they're measuring at this choke point where El Cajon Pass, or no, Cajon Pass, Cajon, if you want to look it up, said the pressure there in between the two faults is so intense they have never seen it before. It's been building and building, and it's ready to pop, friends. They came out in the 60s and talked about a honeycomb pattern of rock underneath that whole piece, where if it breaks, the whole thing will just slide right off, friends. No joke. Can you imagine that? Los Angeles, San Diego, part of that section of Mexico, just breaking off and sinking 2 miles below the ocean. That's vengeance of God. Everything, all the filth that's come out of there. Oh, I don't pretend to act holier than thou, friends. But if you think about all the pornography and all the foul shit that comes out of that, one of the capitals of Satan's Eden, friends. That's what it is. All the movies, all the programming, everything they do to twist the minds of the people. It's all very real, friends. Very real. Anyway, I hope you're beginning to get a sense of urgency right now, so it will enable you to prepare moderately. Not that you're not going to need it, but just if everybody goes out and shock buys, it's going to create problems. You should have been. Little stuff, guys. Half the medicine that you need, so you have storage backed up. You want sturdy, good shoes that you don't wear every day. Set them to the side and wear your junkers, because you're going to be doing a lot of walking, friends. Not Southern California. Friends, that shit's going to happen during the tribulation. And it's going to shake the entire earth. Is going to feel that earthquake. That's how powerful it's going to be. Just like when the 9/6, I think it was, that happened in Anchorage, separated the land. There was like 10-foot drop-offs for like a whole line where it cracked. Massive tidal wave. Threw boats onto the shore miles. Killed bunches of people. That's what big earthquakes do. And that shit was felt across the earth, like literally registered on their counters. Everywhere. Whew. There's big pressure building right there. Everything's coming to a head, friends. That's what it amounts to. Just like I told you. I tried to warn you. Everything is coming to a head. They hide it. Just because the stock markets are high, they fudge that shit. It's like a rigged game, okay? All the real stuff, like the bond market and the credit market at all-time delinquencies, all these major problems with the banks being so invested in commercial real estate, and it's sitting vacant all over the place. So many other things all coming together. The food crisis, the lack of fertilizers we needed during planting season, friends. All planned and orchestrated by God. Sure, the devils can try to twist it and use it to their advantage, but it gets to the point where they can't keep it together anymore. Guys, please prepare now.